With our in-place animation ready to go, just checking this loop here at the end. Here we go. Let's get these exported. File, export, and use Adobe Media Encoder. You can see that I've got the animated GIF was the last thing that I exported, so I'll use it again. The one thing to remember, most importantly, change the size of the GIF. I'm going to use 300, but 400 is okay as well, especially if you have less than 10 seconds. The other thing I like to do is change this to a hard edge. I don't have any soft, glowy parts, so hard edges will make it look a little nicer. Let's change the name. Make sure that it's going to a folder where we're going to be able to find it. I'm going to put it in our After Effects folder, but notice that Adobe Media Encoder creates these folders, so that may be where yours is going. Make sure that you can find it. A good name starts with the date code. GeoMonster Animation, and make sure you put your name on it. I'm going to click Save, OK, and Play. While it's exporting, I can go back to After Effects, and this time I'm going to have my background there. If you don't have a background, but your monster has black, doesn't look quite right with a black background, go to Layer, New, Solid. It will give you a chance to make that solid. Choose the color that you think is going to go best. Make sure there's some good contrast there. And put that solid at the bottom. Let's do another file export. Change this from animated GIF to H.264. That makes the MP4 video. It's right above Blu-ray. Nothing else needs to be changed. Except where's it going to go? Pay attention to that. You can get to that again here. And I'm putting mine in After Effects this time to keep them separate. Good name. 260109. This is my GeoMonster animation. And my name. And you could put MP4 in the name. It's going to add the .mp4, but sometimes that can help too. And play. You see the video goes a lot quicker. Let's go and look in our folder. You can go and look for it that way, but if we go back to Media Encoder, remember if you click on the one that is done, it'll take you to the folder, and there's that GIF. If I double click on it, just to verify, it has transparency, it is small, and in this case it loops. You can minimize that and go and look for the video now. It's done. Double click on it to open. Opening with photos is usually okay.